Hi, I am Praveen.
Lokeshwaran.
I am Vishnu.
Vijay Lakshmi. I have completed my political science.
Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute.
UG program in political science is mean to me. I able to know about the role of the government and formation of the government. I was able to know about the government policies, law and order from the constitutions.
So I would like to concentrate in my preparation in exam where I would like to participate in UPSC exam and I wanted to clear it. I wanted to become an IAS officer, so I wanted to make a preparation for it.
My ambition is to become an IAS officer. So this degree has helped me to prepare for my upcoming UPSC exam.
BA Political Science is not about narrow subject. It's all about a wide subject because we can learn a lot of things like comparative politics, international relations and political systems in India. So that we can aware about the constitutions and democracy in our Indian constitution. We have wider scope like we can choose our optional subject as UPSC in PSIR. It means political science and international relations. And also we can go with UPSC exam, TNPC exam and SSC, RRB and etc.
No, political science is not a narrow subject, it is a wider subject and it can be pursued as per our interest. The skills which make political science degree more powerful are leadership skills, better decision making skills, political administration and etc.
Political science is a base and it is an endless subject.
Studying political science degree not only helps us to become a politician, it also helps us to become a community activist, senior bureaucrats, NGOs, IAS officers and etc.
Undergone with internship with my constituency, Mr. Rajendra MLA, and I learned about political system like constituency and representative elections. And predominantly, it helps me to aware about the constitution.
From this MGR University, I had good exposure both in theory and practical experience, which made me a better person to serve nation.
I would like to thank Mr. President Engineer ACS Arul Kumar sir.
Joint Register, Deputy Dean Ma'am.
Faculty of Political Science Department. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.